Hi guys, it's Brooke. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun one because today I've got friends here.
Hi.
Introduce yourselves. Mags.
Oh, hi, I'm Mags.
Okay. And moving on.
I'm Kelsey.
I'm Aiden. If you want to follow them, and you should, and you probably already do, all their information in the description box, okay? Today we're doing something fun. So I created a list of projects that I really want to make, and you'll probably see it here somewhere on the screen. And I'm just going to show them and get their thoughts on it because we all have different styles and we all like to do different things. So I'm gonna put something up and they're gonna be like, I hate that, don't do it.
No.
Or I'm gonna put something up and they're gonna be like, oh my gosh, you got such great taste. You know, things like that. So
I don't think that I'm gonna say that.
I'm gonna say that for one
That
of
seems
us.
a little enthusiastic for me.
yeah. Okay, let's get started. Hello, Editing Brooke here. I just wanted to give some context for this video because I realized I didn't explain. You can tell from the title, but this is a video where I was pranking my friends. We met up a few weeks ago and I told them I wanted to show them all the projects that I want to make that are on my wish list. But what they didn't know is that the projects start out really normal and serious and then they become really weird and like, no, I would never make that. I just think it's funny. I just wanted to get their reaction. So yeah, that's what this video is gonna be. I am warning you, some of these projects are rather strange. So if that's not something you enjoy and you don't wanna watch, I would recommend clicking off now. But if you do wanna stay, their reactions are pretty funny and it was a fun time. I loved it. Also, if it looks like I'm crying, I just put my contacts in, so I'm crying. And Ophelia keeps hitting the tripod with her ball. On with the video. And they're working on things. Do you want to say what you're working on?
I'm working on the Ulsa tee by Things by Dana.
Awesome.
I'm making a beanie. This is the essential beanie.
Love.
I'm working on a pillow. It's gonna be 2 rainbow lorikeets. And I did the graph.
You
Love.
match.
It literally
you can't even
blends
see it.
in with your shirt.
Let's go.
We're gonna get
now.
we're gonna get ideas.
Oh yeah, you're gonna
I'm
do
gonna
that
steal
one.
your idea. I'm gonna make the thing before you make
I'm
it.
gonna make everything on this list.
Okay, yeah, I'd like to see some.
Way quicker.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Number 1. This is a simple poncho that I bookmarked on YouTube literally years ago. As you can tell, I was 4
Is
years
that
old.
you?
No, it's not me. It's a
Is it knit or is it crochet?
It's crocheted. It's using like a V-stitch where you like twist your double crochets. And I feel like it'd just be, for me, it'd be good for a wind tray and to wear to work.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
I'm trying to
yeah.
do things where I could wear to work.
I like it. I like it. I like it. It's giving white girl fall.
It's Christian Girl Autumn. It's Christian Girl
Yeah.
Autumn. But it could be cute.
Yeah.
I like that it looks like it has clasps
Yeah, the-
closing on the side. I like that because I'm not really into the new poncho trend.
Where it's just open.
yeah.
It's supposed to keep you warm. Like a
It's like
poncho in my
wearing a
mind's
dickie. It's like when
Yes.
you like go get your graduation pictures and they
Yeah.
just put like the fake top half of a shirt on you.
Oh yeah. I don't like those
I've
either.
seen a lot of people do really short, but I like that one looks like a full shirt basically.
Yeah, it's like a full layer.
I've definitely wanted to make one of those before. I've just never done it because it's big.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
huge.
big.
I would use a lot of yarn. I'm
Yeah.
kinda, that's why I haven't done it yet. I'm like, ooh. Number 2.
Now this. Now this
that a
I can get
dinosaur?
behind.
It's the game. It's the game, and when the internet doesn't
when the internet
work,
goes out.
Oh, right.
it's the game you play.
It's sick.
I was just telling Kelsey that like, I kind of want to, or was I telling you? I don't know, someone that I want to try doing double knitting, but I'm scared of it. And this is a double knit scarf with the Google game, and you can see it says "Game Over" on the other side. I thought that was so cute.
Vote yes.
Yay! The council has decided. Okay, number 3. You all know I'm starting. I'm working on this right now. Just
Oh, right.
a simple vest. Except for the one I want to do is what's it called?
Waffle knit?
No,
I thought you said waffle knit.
basket something. Basket weave. Whatever. Anyway, y'all know I want to do this. It's simple. We can move on.
Sweater vest.
Sweater vest.
Sweater vest.
I can't decide if I want it round or V. I hate V-necks, but
Round.
I would wear this to be layered, and I don't know which is
Round.
better to layer.
It doesn't matter.
round.
You can still put a collared shirt. I'm
Great.
team. I love sweater vest.
Great, rounded, done. This, I think I would like to hold my trash bags because we have, we keep all the bags from the
Yes,
grocery store,
yeah.
and we can hang it on the wall, and it could be like a rainbow trowel.
That's cute. Didn't you just make a knit?
Yeah,
hat?
but mine was the.
No,
it was
you
a
made a fish.
It was a pouch. Yeah,
She
but
made
I
a fish pouch.
I
You
did? Yeah, but I did the Ribka pouch. It's like little, like for like AirPods or what. I don't have AirPods. I don't know what I'm gonna put in it. Change maybe.
Who carries change?
I wanted a gumball yesterday and nobody had change.
I
Another
think it's
I think it's
functional and it's silly, but it's fun.
Yeah, I thought it'd be fun.
like
Imagine
it.
walking into someone's house, you see a fish with bags in it on the
Yeah,
wall.
especially if you got like one of those speckled yarns. It would
Yeah,
really
it
get
would look like a fish. It would
Yeah.
look like a trout. Love. Anyway, okay, bacteriophage. Isn't that fucking
Okay, hold on.
No, veto.
This just took a turn. It's a bacteriophage.
What is that?
It's a virus, so it holds DNA up here, and when it comes into you, it explodes and
That's
it lets
the flu.
DNA.
It comes into you.
Yeah, it's a virus.
It's the flu. But okay.
Oh.
It's a model. It's cool.
Yes. I agree that it is interesting to look at. But why?
I don't know. I think it'd just be
You
cool.
put it on your shelf.
Yeah,
You're gonna cuddle it at night.
I could put it in his office or something.
How big is
looks
it?
like
I don't know. I think I would just make it my own.
It looks
I
like
think it's great. I think you should make it.
Yay!
Every time someone came to your house, you'd have to explain it.
I would put it in his office
I
or
think you should
something.
make it.
probably
If you're
wouldn't
gonna
keep
do
it
this, I think you need to do like an actual bacterium, like with a flagellum and stuff, and like I think you gotta do all of them. If
Okay, I
you're gonna
think that's
start with a bacterium, thing.
I saw that on Google. I was like, yes. I was like, I'm
You're gonna have to do the full models.
Okay, you're right. Okay, that's fair. That's valid criticism.
oh.
I like this guy. I like this guy a
I
lot.
know. I thought you'd like him. He's just a
Yeah.
little clown guy. I thought I could put him on my car.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hang them.
I just don't think I would do the navy. I think I would do something like
Rainbow.
bright pink or rainbow.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I like the face, and I like it when they do like little crosses for eyes.
Yeah,
I
and
like
I
his-
like his twisty limbs.
I like the button.
Right? Isn't
Oh
it
yeah,
cute?
his twisty little limbs.
They're all little curly cues.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen a few of those. Ones that are like, I've seen ones that have like shorter bodies.
Yeah, I like when they. I like that this one has super long legs.
Yeah.
Like middle legs, as long as I
Yes.
want. Imagine coming in and you see a clown with extremely long lips hanging off my cars.
Dream
My
come
ear-
true.
Exactly. Right? That's what I thought. I thought you'd like that, Aiden.
Absolutely love clowns. I would say that's more of a joke.
Oh my god, yes! I've been wanting to make this! Moisturize me!
Moisturize.
I've been wanting to make this for forever. Wait, did you actually find the pattern for this?
I don't know. It was on
Sorry?
Pinterest. I saved it so I can find it.
Okay, send it to me. I've been wanting.
hate it.
I've been wanting to make a tapestry of this. I started it actually. I started a graph for just a tapestry.
I want to do this, but I want to figure out how to make it a phone case. I think that'd be so
That would be
funny on
awesome.
your phone.
That'd be so. Yes, 10 out of 10.
You don't like
Wait,
this?
I gotta take a picture.
Super
Perfect.
cool.
Are you not a super hula?
Oh, I was. You know, Cass got sent to super hell at the end.
It's Garfield's
Yes.
scarf.
I hate it.
Why is it being displayed in this manner?
I don't know. It was a
I hate it. He looks
I
like a
don't-
tapeworm.
Like, yeah, maybe it's a bad picture, but I'm gonna veto that.
Garfield tapeworm. Why does
Maybe
he not
you
have
could
limbs?
just make one that's executed a little differently.
Yeah.
Not a bad idea. That one is not good.
Okay.
Sorry,
You
I'm
made
sorry
that,
to
I'm
whoever
so
designed
sorry.
this.
No, your other scarf is way better than that.
Are we going functionality here? Are we thinking
Just
things
anything.
Brooke would wear?
Things that look most like a tapeworm.
Okay.
It does look quite.
What if you made a tapeworm scarf?
Mmm.
All right. Anyway.
Okay.
Oh,
Wow, Grey's Anatomy core.
Right? I followed the person who made this, and I don't remember who, but I thought it was so cool. The heart. Anyway,
That
that's
is
all.
cool.
I just
I
thought it was
like
cool.
that.
I probably
Christina
will never
Yang
make
would
this now,
be
but it's-
gagged, gooped and gagged over
She
that.
would.
this
She
is
won.
something that like is incredibly cool to look at. If someone made it, I'd be like, wow, that's really impressive, but I would never carry that around.
Oh, 100%. No.
Yeah.
I would.
I know. I'm imagining you and you're like
Yeah, you would.
you're like very like earth tone color palette.
Like your
naturey,
poncho.
like hiking with your little like burnt orange poncho and a anatomically correct heart.
Brooke's at her work meeting like, hey guys!
People are gonna be walking past you like, what the hell?
It also looks like it holds a lot of stuff.
You could stick your needles in there, and you're.
Oh my god, Cheetah
around
Lee!
and
Cheetah Lee in the little...
New project bag.
Yeah, exactly.
We have to talk.
Oh,
Brooke! Why do these get crazier?
Are you trying to make a Halloween costume?
I don't know. I just
really
think
cool.
it's so cool. You know, I'm really into realistic cakes right now, and I love when people make brain cakes. And so I saw this, and I was like, I don't know, like, I think I just needed. I think it
should
would
make-
better if you had hair underneath it.
no,
No,
it's
you
really
gotta-
cool. Like, when Aiden said Halloween costume, I'd
Like,
be
you
like,
could
that
be a
would
zombie.
be awesome.
Oh, that would be cool. So Halloween costume.
What, dark? But she's like regular?
Yeah.
Wait,
thanks.
you could...
Oh,
Hold on.
it's so cool. It's
It is-
knitted.
It's really cool, but are you gonna wear that?
I would love to see you in public in this.
okay.
So I'm gonna say yes, you should make this.
What is that? Oh, it's
it
that guy from
Hellraiser?
Hellraiser.
It's Hellraiser.
Can everyone drop a brain in the comments if you think Brooke should make this?
So true. Drop a brain.
Brain
I love
emojis.
it. It's just crazy.
And it's free.
It's
Oh,
free?
Free knitting pattern.
Send it Shit, I'm making this.
Hell yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay.
Oh my
I'm gonna join all my Zoom meetings from work in it.
Get on your Zoom.
scared.
Okay.
Oh,
Isn't that funny?
I
Squidward.
like that.
I just don't know how you would see underneath the nose. That's my only concern.
You're just gonna have
Well,
to
the nose
spread
would
your
just
eyes
go
out
over
really far.
your nose.
Oh, it would
on
just
your
sit right
forehead.
here. But I
These are
really
really
like
nice.
these parts.
His little tentacles.
His tentacles.
Squidward.
Squidward tentacles. Okay, anyway, thought that was fun.
Yeah.
Look! I'm gonna have a nightmare! What
Why?
is it?
What are you on?
It's a mask.
Is it an anime?
It is a mask.
No, this person does
is
a
it
lot
mask
of
for
this.
mask?
I follow this person.
Imagine walking around and people would be so afraid of you. It would be so funny.
Once again, I think that this is an art piece. It's not a functional item.
I don't like that the tongues are so pointed though. That's one thing I don't really enjoy about it.
That's why I asked if it's an anime.
I feel like that would be good for Halloween too. Imagine this with the brain hat and the heart bag. People wouldn't know what you are, but they would be scared.
It's October. It
And
is.
that's really all that matters.
It is too close to Halloween to be doing that.
I like it.
Okay, cool.
We started with a poncho.
We started with Christian Girl Autumn
We're
Poncho.
progressing.
I don't know.
Oh,
He's just a little guy.
Who is he?
I absolutely love this
He's
queen.
just a little guy.
I like that
I would-
you can't tell if those are his arms or ears.
I know. I would do it, but I would make his lips purple. I think. Like a nice little purple lipstick.
I'm,
Just a
this
little
the
guy.
3 toes. I like.
is
I like
gonna
the
be a
3
hard
toes.
yes. For
I do
me.
like this a lot. I like weird little creatures.
And then you can make little hats to put on him,
That's
Yes.
cute. I like accessorizing it.
right?
He should have a little like piercing too.
Oh my
I thought
gosh!
that'd be cool.
Yes, like a little. Well, he doesn't have eyebrows, but
Make him some toe socks.
yeah,
Yes.
little gloves, little cardigan. I do like that you can't tell if it's ears or hair or arms.
Yeah, I was like, that's obviously arms, and then you said ears, and I was like, oh my
Wait.
god,
I know your perspective.
Like he looks like
shifted.
Dobby, like
Everything changed.
that.
he does look like Dobby.
Cool. Okay. I think these are freaky and cool.
That's scary. I'm scared.
Is it a bag?
Yeah, it's a bag.
Raise your hand if you were scared.
How many people were scared? Me too. I was really, really scared.
I'm not really scared. I would maybe wear that to the Ren Fair.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Okay.
Put a bunch of them, and then you'll be an angel and be like, "Do not be
Yes.
afraid."
No, literally biblically accurate angel
Yes,
at the Ren
yes,
Fair.
yes.
A million of them. That's what we do. Is we all make one and go to the Ren Fair and we put them up like this. We're
like that.
We just all go back
Do
to
not-
back.
Be not so afraid.
I wish I had enough time to be a biblically accurate angel for Halloween.
Right? It would be fun. I feel like Nessa could do something like that. I feel
But which
like
Oh,
one would
yeah.
you be?
I don't know.
The one with all the rings?
Yeah, probably.
love. I think this is cool.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
my friend's mom made this, but it was a frog. No, it was a squirrel. And it was supposed to be like roadkill.
Oh,
and she said that making all the tiny little organs was so fun. So I totally think that you should do this.
It's so
yeah,
cute.
she has this like little, and hers was knit. I don't know how she did all those like little tiny.
That's
knit.
crazy.
But yeah,
Right?
I've seen so many good ones of these.
I think it's cool.
But the goose makes me sad, so you should do something else.
I was thinking of something
Like a
else.
frog.
Yeah, or
Well,
like
a
a
frog
rat.
would
Did
be
you dissect
interesting.
frogs in high
Right.
school?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should do a frog.
I also did bugs. Did you do bugs in it though?
No, I dissected a cat. Which also made me sad.
Yeah, that is kind of sad.
Oh,
I think.
Oh, yeah!
I think I
Boomba!
would use this to hold my crochet hook.
We're really going on a journey.
that's what.
I don't know what I expected.
Guys, this is not what she told us we were doing.
No.
I thought these were all going to be wearables.
Just put your crochet hook in there.
With
What's
that.
not wearable about that?
Put your crochet hook right
Right in there.
in there.
Anyway, that's Bob. Sure. It's a specimen in a jar.
No.
You should do this, but you have to do. Have you seen those ones that's like blue? Like they put the blue dye in them and they become
Oh.
like translucent.
Yeah.
Yeah, you would have to do it with like blue, like variegated yarn.
Yeah. Isn't that cool? Just a little.
It's not. Yeah.
The thought of like submerging
Let me
my
show you guys
crochet
something
in
actually real
water really makes
It's
me
formaldehyde.
feel sick.
Yeah. Maybe you'll get real formaldehyde. What's better
Oh
for
yeah, that
yarn?
would be even better.
Wait,
Yeah.
hold on. Okay, hold on.
Brooke, are you pranking us?
Girl, she is obviously pranking.
Are you because I'm being supportive.
No, I don't. I think this is the turning point. I think
You think this
I
was
think-
the turning point?
now you're pranking us. You're a little weird.
Not
Okay,
the
it
food
won't.
minion?
It won't load.
Not the fish?
Remind me.
Oh, that's on brand.
Remind me.
Oh yes.
Spooky!
Is it glow in the dark? It looks
the
glow in
I
the
think
dark.
that'd be fun.
Make the other mother. Yeah.
Right? I think that'd be so
Put
fun.
on a wig.
Oh my gosh, a yarn wig on top.
That'd be fierce.
That would be fierce.
Okay. Okay. I'm getting ready for the next one.
Okay. I actually
Why is
don't
the
know what's coming
picture so
next.
deep?
Yes!
It reminds me of the doll, the baby from Toy Story.
Yeah!
Yeah.
I like this.
No comment.
I like this. I don't like that it's flesh toned.
What other tone would it
Green.
be?
I don't know,
I'd
like
make
hot
it green.
pink.
Okay, a hot pink. I could see that. I don't think I like that it's granny squares though, but
It's granny squares?
yeah, the back, the bottom.
Oh, ew, never mind. I'm
they're
vetoing
granny
this.
pentagons.
I hate
Yeah.
granny squares.
Agreed. I would
I
just
would
do it
make
normal.
that.
No, you know what it is? There's somebody
No.
that has a granny square spider pattern.
And they just put a
and they've
baby
added
head
a
on
baby
it.
set.
Wait, you're so right.
No.
No,
Cursed.
vetoed.
I don't think you should make that.
Okay,
Where are you gonna
movie.
put it in your house?
I
Like,
don't know, hang it on the wall.
hang it on the wall.
Imagine putting it, suspending it from the ceiling.
Okay, if you do, I'm not gonna come over if that's gonna happen. I'm sorry.
So
I'm
funny.
only gonna come over if it happens.
Ah!
I think this might be the last one. It's just a little guy.
Okay, you have to choose one baby.
What's going on with
You
its
can't-
eyes?
You can't
Uh-huh.
have the spider baby and this baby. That's too
If
many.
you had to pick one, Spider Baby is gonna
think
win.
so.
But
Yeah.
I don't think that a
at this
crochet
little belly
baby
button.
is bad overall. Like people crochet baby dolls all the time, but this one just looks.
I don't think this crochet baby is
It
great.
looks a little freaky.
I like his little belly button.
Sorry to
and
say.
I like his sewn-on nose and his little eyelids.
Yeah, I like how the belly button is off center.
It's
Yeah.
very, you know, nobody's perfect, Kelsey. Okay.
Sorry.
He just went through childbirth.
Sorry.
He went through childbirth?
Oh,
He
right.
was born.
He was born. He was birthed.
He was involved.
Oh.
Anyway, I think that's all. Yeah, that's all.
Well, you have to talk-
Wow.
what are you looking forward to making the most?
Yeah.
Probably the vest and the poncho. The things that I'll actually make.
You,
Oh, so you
don't
were
actually want to
lying.
make the fish? The fish is cool.
This was showing my friends projects I want to make, but they get more disturbing as it goes on.
Well, Brooke, I'd say you achieved that. I'm gonna be honest. I think
I
you
gotta be-
achieved the goal of your video.
Brooke, I was the most disturbed by the poncho.
Yeah, Brooke, I'm not gonna lie. I don't like the poncho. After all that, I don't like it.
Fair. That's totally fair. The poncho, the clown, and the vest. And I would make the bacteriophage. I'm not even gonna lie. Right, that's fucking cool.
Okay,
looks like a
yeah,
bomb
no, that was
with the
questionable,
spider
but I was
legs.
like, you're a little freaky.
You're a little freaky.
You're a little freak.
The way it was like for me, very believable.
There were
I would make any
Yeah.
of those.
I
Well,
re-
there was a lot of amigurumi. That's where we draw.
Well, I was like, why is there so much amigurumi?
Yeah. No, I just looked up cursed crochet, disturbing crochet, weird crochet, and then these are the things that came up. And that's
Brooke,
why
you did pretty good at this.
Thank you.
At this prank.
That's why I pulled Caesar into here earlier and we were giggling.
I thought you guys were talking about books.
No, I was showing him these. That's why
I
he's
know,
laughing out loud.
I thought you
He's
guys
like,
were
"What
talking
the
about
fuck
your
is
book
this?"
too. I thought you guys were talking about your book too.
Still on board.
my gosh.
Love. Anyway,
Well, now you have to make all of it.
I know, shoot.
I'm making moisturized meat.
Moisturize me.
I'm not kidding. I literally started a graph
I'll
for
send
it.
you the pin.
Thank you.
But yeah,
That was a journey.
let us know which ones you would and or wouldn't make, and which ones you are most and least disturbed by. I tried to make the sliding scale pretty accurate.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think it jumped around a
You
little
think?
I think
Yeah.
we took a big leap with the brain.
Oh shoot! Look, here's a good one.
bit. No.
My Pinterest is now totally screwed up from looking at these. So, oh, there you go. That's what just came up.
Oh.
My Pinterest is totally screwed up now. Oh, look, a worm.
Worm scarf.
Would you make the worm scarf? So, how are we feeling? Ready to conquer the day?
I
feel great.
Yeah, this was an interesting start, actually.
I said, do you want to do this or the Reddit videos first? And they wanted to do this first, so okay.
Now we have to make all of them.
Yeah, truth. Anyway,
No.
okay.
Thanks, Brooke.
Thanks.
Oh boy.
Oh, golly gee.
Okay, let us know which projects you would or would not make in the comments. And that's gonna be all for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll put all their information in the description. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Help us.